Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to tie jewelry knots with wire. Here I have two pieces of coated wire. I'm using coated wire to hopefully have it show up a little bit more so you can see what it is that I'm doing. I'm going to first make a reef knot. And to make a reef knot, you take your two pieces of wire like this and you put them together you put the legs of the wire, of the loop, if you will, through here, and then you put these through here and pull it together like this, and that is your reef knot. I'll pull it apart and try to show you one more time. You bend the wire like this. You put the legs of this loop through that loop, and then you put these up through this loop and pull. And there you have a reef knot. Now here I'm going to show you a double love knot. You simply tie it like that, and then you take this one, you put it through this knot, and you tie it the same way with the wire intertwined with that one, and it forms a little double love knot like so. And there are a few knots that you can make jewelry with wire. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.